How to delete your account on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your account on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and now to get to this page all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and click on the first option, which is personal and account information. Now click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. Wait for a second, and now click on the last option, which is deactivation and deletion. And here you can choose the second option, which is delete account, to delete your account on Facebook. And click on continue to account deletion, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.